What is going on, YouTube? Just real quick, want to do a quick short update about my six-figure blueprint. Show you that I have leads and sales coming into my business with my six-figure blueprint, and so that you know what you'll be getting is a fully automated system that help you build your email list. It does all the email follow-up. You can promote any opportunity that you want with the six-figure blueprint. You also have the ability to earn up to $1,000 in commissions. So if you want to see how this system works, I'll have the link below in the description. You go over and watch this 8-minute video. It'll do let you know all the details and descriptions on how to get started and how this fully automated business can help you start generating commissions online. And for those who's just starting and anybody who's interested in starting with affiliate marketing or member-to-member sales with direct payments, that's what you'll get with this program, is a direct payment. So when you a customer buy it from you, you get paid that same day. You don't have to wait for company withholdings or every 2-week checkout to be able to check out, or have to hit a threshold to be able to withdraw your earnings. It's direct sales. It goes great with Cash App, Bitcoin, Stripe, however you see that you would like to get paid. I just want to go real quick over show you over into my Google account that I am grabbing sales and getting high leads. On August 17th, 11 leads came through at one time. So what I love about this system is now those 11 leads are on my autoresponder, and they're getting fed an email every day, so that way they can grow, like, know, and trust, and be more willing to purchase from you. And I just think this system is really good for the newbie starter. It's newbie friendly. So when you get started at the six-figure feeder, you'll have 3 done for you campaigns that you can use to promote this business. So if you're not tech savvy, they already have the campaign set up for you, bridge page, and things of that nature to help you get started on your journey with affiliate marketing and digital marketing, period. But like I said, I'm going to keep it short and simple. If you want to have the ability to earn up to $1,000 in commissions, again, I have the website link in the description. Check out the 8-minute video that's going to explain to you how everything works and runs with my six-figure blueprint. So much love to you guys, and thanks for watching my video. And again, the link will be in the description if you want to check this out. And if you have any questions and you want to contact with me, I'm going to have my Facebook link down there. Go ahead, drop me a message in the box, put YouTube, and I'll be glad to conversate with you, and I'm looking forward to meeting you. Until next time, I'll give you guys a holler and a follow. Bye. I'm going to get out of here.